Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best sliding compound miter saws that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Dewalt DWS780 Slide Compound Miter Saw. One of the biggest names in the industry, Dewalt is sure to deliver when it comes to high-quality tools, and the DWS780 is no exception. The powerful 15-amp motor provides extreme power and durability, while the tall fences allow great support for crown molding, while sliding out of the way when you're making bevel cuts. This tool has a carbide blade and delivers fast yet highly accurate cuts, as well as finer details that make for ease of use and a long-lasting piece of equipment, such as protective pads on the stainless steel plates to prevent wear. The machine miters 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees to the left, providing you with increased capacity when it comes to machining different materials. It weighs just 51 pounds, so it can be moved around easily too, particularly useful if you're taking it to different job sites. At number 4. Hitachi C10FCG Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Hitachi C10FCG Sliding Compound Miter Saw has a 15-amp motor, delivers speeds of up to 5,000 RPM and has a large support table and vise for securing the workpiece in place. This tool makes creating precise miter cuts and angled cuts so easy. The bevel range allows for clean bevel cuts, while the angle range enables increased flexibility. If you're looking for equipment that provides the smoothest and most accurate crosscuts for a variety of materials, the Hitachi Compound Miter Saw is ideal. It works well with wood, panels, hardboard, aluminium and more. It's reliable and durable, as well as allowing you to pre-set points at set angles. With a 5-year warranty, you can rest assured that you'll be investing in a quality saw that's guaranteed to deliver great results. At number 3. Dewalt DWS780 Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. A popular choice among professionals, the Dewalt DWS780 is a top-quality saw that sets the standard for precision cutting. This isn't a tool for amateurs or those who dabble in a bit of woodworking here and there, but it's a fantastic investment for those who want the very best woodworking tools and want to achieve professional standards every time. There's an incredible 11 cm cutting depth on this powerful product, giving you the ability to cut through large timbers on construction sites or for large projects. The DWS780 has a quick release setting for bevels to give you accurate but quick results, and dust is well managed to keep your workspace clean and airborne particles to a minimum. At number 2. Makita LS1019L 10 inches Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Makita LS1019L sliding compound miter saw with laser functionality has a formidable 15-amp direct drive motor which delivers speeds of up to 3,200 RPM. It has an increased capacity to accommodate up to 12-inch crosscuts and miters 0 to 60/0 left and right, and bevels 0 to 48/0 left and right. To enhance the length of the gears, the LS1019L has a soft startup function to suppress the startup reaction, which makes for more consistent power without the need to replace belts, and the aluminium base allows for better stability when you're cutting different materials. At number 1. Bosch CM10GD Compact Miter Saw. The Bosch CM10GD 10-inch dual-bevel glide miter saw provides power and versatility. Thanks to the compact design and the innovative axial glide system, this unit provides smooth cutting control in up to 10 inches less workspace than other miter saws, so users are able to work productively in hallways and other tight quarters. The saw delivers 4,800 no-load RPM with outstanding cut capacity, 12-inch horizontal capacity nominal, 5-1/2 inch vertical capacity against the fence base, and a 6-inch crown capacity against the fence 45-degree spring. The all-metal bevel lock lever and range selector was designed to be up front on this unit, to enable fast and easy bevel settings without reaching around behind the saw. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.